Nhloso kept questioning Lihle who the father of the baby is. Ntuthuko did not waste time and told him that Umthunzi is the father. He was in disbelief. He thought Ntuthuko was playing with him. Kanti Umthunzi is indeed ubaba wengane. Madlome is struggling to cope with the fact that she killed someone. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. Nhloso could not believe ukuthi Madlome is pregnant, going on about why didn't you tell me you're pregnant, who's the father, ingane kabani. Madlome was like, I did not know that I needed to tell you, and ungena phela cause ingane akusiyona eyakho yeyami le ngane. Yo, uNhloso akasago uyafokofa ukuthi uMadlome is dating, uMadlome is seeing someone. uMadlome athi yazini, I don't even know ukuthi ufunani lathi bengizokuchecka kathi ungicheckile ngibonile ngiright, leave now. Nhloso goes outside to question Lihle, asking Lihle ukuthi umthunzi benzani endlini, what was he doing there, and did you know that your mother was pregnant, and who's the father, do you know who the father of the baby is, do you know if who was your mother seeing, ukuthi your mother was seeing someone. Yazini ubhizi ucika ungana ngemibuzo. uLihle was like, you know what baba, the questions that you're asking me, I don't think I'm the right person that you should be answering these questions. And then uLihle hambe ke tshela uma wakhe ukuthi yo ma, ubaba knows about the pregnancy and he's been asking me about the father of the baby, but I did not say anything. And then abonge koMadlome ukuthi ngiyabonga sis. And then uLihle is concerned ukuthi mawakho right in, and then she starts asking about the story they were giving ukuthi that guy was the housebreaker. Because is the story even true? Ngiyacela, please tell me the truth. I think uMadlome told uLihle the truth again. And then Nhloso could not rest. He went to the house. Figo told Ntuthuko is busy cleaning the house, saying, I want you guys to come and live with me because I don't want you to sit here alone when your mother is not here. No, fine, we can take care of ourselves. And then he starts asking, I went to see your mother. I was shocked to hear she's pregnant. Ntuthuko was just standing there. Ntuthuko was not even shocked because Ntuthuko knows she's pregnant. And then he says, uLihle did not want to tell me who the father of the baby is. Now awumazi yini wabengane. Ntuthuko did not waste time athi mina ngiyamazi ubabengane umthunzi. Yo, the look on Nhloso's face when Ntuthuko said umthunzi, but then he just thought that Ntuthuko was just pulling my leg. There's no way umthunzi can be the father of Madlome's baby. And then he's like, oh, were you just trying to make me upset by saying that? Athi Ntuthuko, how you ask me a question nje ngiyakuphendula nje athi awayikhonakala, there's no way uMadlomo would never be with a man like Umthunzi, you know the kind of man that he is. He's just taking advantage of her. Ntuthuko athi, hey, mana kancane, Madlomo no Umthunzi bayathandana. They love each other. Yo, ubuso bukaNhloso, he was shocked ukuthi uma wakho uthandana nomthunzi. Athi, yes, bathandana kabi. Anyway, now you have no right to come and meddle relationshipini yabo. Athi, so wena uvumelana nalento. Athi, ngiyavumelana nayo. I could just see the satisfaction in Ntuthuko's eyes. Ukuthi finally told Nhloso, Kama. And then abuze, so what are you going to do? Are you going to go and beat up umthunzi because ukhulelisa uma? Yo, wacika uNhloso and left. And then uLihle comes in, Ntuthuko tells him tells her I told ubaba ukuthi umthunzi ubabengane. uLihle was like, why did you tell him? It was not your place. That's when you are the one who decided to involve him. And says Gutuma is worried because she killed someone. She's the one that killed the intruder. Ntuthuko is now shocked with yo uma. Now Ntuthuko is worried about his mother because you know how overprotective Ntuthuko is over his mother. And umthunzi ke got wheeled in a wheelchair to come and see uMadlomo. Ubhizi nemabogaboga with bruises and a handguard, means bamlimaza isandla because I think they shot imlimaza isandla. And uMadlomo is now saying ukuthi Nhloso knows about the baby. Don't worry, he does not know you are the father. Athi umthunzi will be fine because we've gotten through U0, we'll be fine. But uMadlomo can't get past the issue, the thing ukuthi ubulala umuntu. Athi, how am I going to go on with my life knowing that I killed someone? Will God even forgive me? Like uMadlomo is really stressed about this whole thing. Hey, I wonder if she'll be able to move forward. Ngapha she's pregnant, she can't be stressed. Ngapha ilupus. Yo, kuningi nje. Madlomo needed her happily ever after. Hey, and then Bridget met ingane ka Victor uKhalalelo, and she liked her, and surprisingly Khalalelo also liked Bridget and can see that her dad really likes her, and she's really happy for her. It's refreshing to see a teenage girl that's so receptive of her father's relationship. Also, Victor was like, if you're not happy about it, I can just end it or I can just pause it. So that was sweet of him to like give her that platform to say, I want to know how you feel about it. Matumel's tired of Kiriboni and Matsiriso and decided you guys are going to sit down and talk and apologize because this thing that you're doing, you're ruining a friendship. The husbands are also tired. They decide to not divide. They decide they need to take control and lead because abafaz babo nje lezi zinto abazenzayo they're not working. Kasa decided that she's not going to be paying for anything until they sort out their issues. Kiriboni is like, no, we sorted things out. We're fine. And I need to see that you're serious first. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.